न ज़ाया करो, बल्कि कुरान शरीफ पढ़ो।
Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Now we will discuss new topic of this unit: purchase book. Purchase book. Now I read question. First question of this topic: enter the following transactions of seller, a dealer in electrical goods, in the purchase book for the month of April 2000. Purchase book for the month of April 2000. April 3, purchased from General Suppliers Co Limited. On 24th, translator radios sets at rupees 200 each. 24th translator radio purchase निकलेंगे sets at rupees 200 each. Next 20 electric toasters at rupees 100 each. 6 electric clocks at rupees 200 each. On 3rd April 2000. Okay, 3rd April 2000 ல 3 ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணிக்கறாங்க. எவ்வளவு காஸ்ட் அதுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. கீழ பாருங்க அதே டேட்ல less trade discount 20% on all items. Note this point. 20% discount on all items. Okay, next April 6, purchased from Tapas Limited 12 electric rousers at rupees 120 each. 48 battery torches at rupees 20 each. Okay, so discount has not given for this product on Tapas Limited. Next April 7, purchased from Radio House 10 color TV at rupees 6000 each. How many colors? 10 color TV purchased at rupees 6000 each. Next 4 black and white television at rupees 1500 each. Next April 19, purchased 400 light bulbs at rupees 5 each, less trade discount at 20%. Trade discount at 20%. Okay, so Mr. Segar, dealer in electrical goods in the dealer. He is a Mr. Segar is a dealer of electrical goods. So following items he supplied. Now we start to solve this problem. How to solve purchase book? In notes, one side you write, you cannot use both sides. Example, you use this side or this side, no problem. Okay, if you write question here, to write answer below also. If you are not space in below the page, you write answer here also. Okay, one side problem. So how to solve this problem? Right, clearly explain to you. First you write in the books of Mr. Segar, electronics. Segar electronics. Okay, below you write what you prepared. Purchase book. Now you prepared purchase book. Here date column I think year 2000. 2000. Okay. Month April. April 1. Okay. Neither. First one is April column. Next, you prepare your particulars column. Particulars column. Next one is that inward invoice. Inward invoice. Inward invoice. Next one is ledger fellow, and last one is amount column. Amount column divided in two ways. First one is details, and next one is total column. Okay, first one is date column, particulars column, inward invoice, LF, details, and total column. Okay. In question, listen, here you also, if you want to write name of the supplier in particular place, no problem. Name of the supplier ko is heading irilla. Name of the supplier ko heading irilla. So now particular no problem. First column date column, next particular inward 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 invoice, LF, amount column, details and total. Mr. Segar purchased from General Suppliers Co Limited. Where he purchased General Suppliers Co Limited. So here I write General Suppliers Co Limited. எங்க நீங்க பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? ஓகே, அந்த கடையோட நேம் எழுது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹெட்டிங் that is heading. Okay, heading. After this, what you purchase, how many items you purchase, and what cost you purchase. எந்த ப்ராடக்ட் நீங்க வாங்குறாங்க, எவ்வளவு காஸ்ட் நீங்க வாங்குறீங்க, அத நீங்க டீடைல் எழுதணும். இது 24 டிரான்ஸ்லேட்டர் yes translator radio, I think translator radio how much 24 translator radio at rupees 200 each. 24 into 200 how much? 200 0 0 4 to the 8 2 0 30 2 0 0 2 to the 4. Okay, 4,800 I think 4,800. Okay, right in details column, because discount is also given the question in the date on June 3, I think. Yes, June 3. Next, 24 electric toaster, 24 into 24 into how much? Sorry, 20 into 100. 20 into 100. 20 into 100. How much? 2000. 2000. Okay. Next. 6 electric clocks at rupees 200 each. 6 electric clocks at rupees 200 each. Electric clocks readings. Okay. How much? 6 electric clocks. 1200. 1200. So first put totals. How much? 8000. Yeah. Now 8000 into how many percent? 20%. Trade discount 20% for all items. 8000 into 20 by 100. 20 by 100. 1600 I think. 1600. So 8000 minus 1600. So 6000 I think 400. 6400. 6400. So பாருங்க இங்க ஸ்பேஸ் இல்ல அதான் நான் சொல்றேன். இந்த 6800 நான் இங்க இப்போ இதெல்லாம் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி நான் மேலே ஸ்பேஸ் இல்ல எனக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ட்ரன்ஸ் கூட இருக்குது. அதனால இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யார் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாங்க? எங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாங்க? ஜெனரல் சப்ளையர்ஸ் கோ லிமிடெட் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகே. Your translated radio 24 into 200. Translated radio 24 into 200, 4800. Next, electric toasters 20% பண்ணிருக்காங்க into 100. 2000. Next, electric clocks 200% பண்ணிருக்காங்க at 26. 1200. Total பார்த்தா 8000. So 8000. Trade discount 20% for all items. 8000 into 20 by 100. 8000 divided by 20 by 100 பார்த்தாக்கா 1600 வரும் நமக்கு. லெஸ் பண்ணாக்கா trade discount 1600 வரும் நமக்கு. 8000 minus 1600 6400. 6400 டோட்டல் கால் இருக்குது. அந்த 6400 நான் இங்கே வச்சிருக்கேன். எனக்கு அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே. ஸோ நான் erase this one. $6,400. Okay, next. On April 6, purchased from Tapas Limited. On April 6, heading Tapas Limited. What he purchased? Electrical razors, 12 electrical razors at rupees 120 each. Electrical razors negative results. Quantity how much? 12 at rupees 120 each. 120 each. Okay. 120 into 12. 0. 2 4 2 to the 4. 2 1 the 2. Okay. 1 0 0. 1 2 to the 2. 1 1 1. Okay. 1 4 4 0. 1400 in details column. 440. Next question date 48 battery torches at rupees 20. Okay. Battery torches at rupees 48 battery charges 48 into 20 48 into 20
अच्छा
48 into
अच्छा अच्छा
20 0 0 2 8 are 16 1 2 4 are 8 9 okay 960 okay so whatever it items not having any discount 0 10 1 13 14 1 2 2400 next on April 7 purchased from radio house on April 7 purchased from radio house please underline for only where he purchased what he purchased please don't underline mistakenly I underline on April 3 so you will that underline under the first underline where he purchased Mr. Sekhar where he purchased the products please underline what he purchased please mention it below the heads okay 10 color TVs at rupees 600 each 10 color TVs color TV how much 10 at rupees color TV at rupees 6000 60,000 in details column next black and white television at rupees 4 black and white television at rupees 1500 okay black and white television 4 into 1500 this one also 6000 okay 6000 both amount at how much 66,000 66,000 okay last on April 19 purchase 400 light bulbs at rupees 5 each less trade discount 20% okay on 17 when you purchase and not given the question just light bulbs light bulbs. How much? How much you purchase? 400 light bulbs. 400 light bulbs at rupees 5 each. How much? 2000. You write 2000 here because this can also have in the question. Trade discount. How much trade discount? 20%. 20% trade discount. So is that? So now I calculate here 2000 into 20 by 100. 20 by 100. How much? 400. 400. Okay. 400. 400. So 400 you less put here. Total is 1600. 1600. Now put totals. Total to 6400 plus 2400. How much? 8800. 66,000 plus 6,400, 2,400, 1,600. 0, 0, 840, 1, 7, 13, 15, 16, 6, 76,400. That is the total purchase book. Okay, 76,400 total purchase book. Then shortage of space. Now I read total amount here and what you write in the line of total. I also write here total purchase book $76,400. Okay, 76,400 is the total. 76,400. You did not write here because shortage of space. I write here. You write in total column last line. Okay, 76,400 is the total amount. So that is the first problem of purchase book. I think you understand in very clear manner. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Second problem of this topic. Thank you.